What's in there?
Weeds. Wild weeds.
Oh, probably.
Oh look, 58 kilometres an hour. Dragonfly. Oh, I love dragonflies. Oh, these are meerkats.
Oh, yeah. Can you see that one up on the top there, Rosa?
She's so cute.
Nothing in there.
No, we've gone round there. There's a little tunnel through. Oh, it's a big swimming bird. Yeah, when you come back out of here, oh yeah. You don't know what you're picking up in here, do you?
Oh, yes.
Can you see him? You can't, no, you can't feed him this. That, it's got pieces of him.
It says on the packet what animals can eat it.
And feeding zone, is it?
Oh, so they bring them in here. Look at those big fellas there.
Oh, yeah.
Very protective of our eggs, we will chase and peck you.
Yeah, they'll eat it. Yeah, you can throw some to him. Yeah. Here. Throw it right over to him.
Them sheep there, they'll probably eat it. There's goats down there.
Yeah, give me some, I'll show you how far it goes. Look, no, give me the bag. Oh no!
You spilled them now.
Yeah, we saw them.
I made it buckle.
So we're going for him.
I don't think people have seen this well, but like...
There's donkeys over there. Why is it? Why can't you?
It's been out of shape. It's been out of shape, that one.
There you go.
Still got wool on it. Like this.
And just let it grab it off your hand.
Okay, now we're finished now.
Alright.
And now we'll go to
He's friendly, isn't he?
Billy Goat.
Billy the goat. That's Billy the goat, Rosa.
Billy the goat. It's got a big
Hold some on your hand.
Can you
Put some on my hand here. Put some on.
Don't like that. They're right gentle when they're nibbling through.
It says, look at that. Okay, you can do it.
Yeah, give me some more, quick. You didn't get much. Down here. Yeah. Rosa, these ones here speak your language.
If I can give them this.
Yeah,
I like don't unfeed these because they bite.
Oh.
Yeah, he says don't. Yeah, don't put your own in.
Just throw it in for these ones. Throw it in.
Mummy pig and baby pig.
Alright, come on. Let's have a look in here. This way. The donkeys are this way. This is the way for the donkey.
Oh, it's so cute.
That's him in front of you. Look, them ones. It says on the packet donkeys can have them.
Jerusalem donkey.
He's coming, don't throw it because he won't come over. There we go. He took some.
Loving food. There you go.
Can we pat him?
On his nose, on top of his nose.
There you go. There you go. Give him a scratch on the nose.
Good boy, aren't you?
Hey, that's it.
They're like a little horsey, aren't they? Oh, he's after your food. Yeah, give me some. Hold your hand out.
Oh, he got it.
You scared him then. Come on. Save some food, there's going to be more animals. Come on.
I saw animals tonight. I saw it, so I gave it something.
There's a crow out there, look. There's a crow.
There's a crow to have them.
Lynx. It's a lynx. There's some over just around there. Laying down, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Llamas. There's llamas over there. Because when you're touching animals, you get germs inside now and then.
Hello. Hello. I think these ones eat it. Let me read the packet. I think the packet will tell us. It says, don't touch him. Alpacas, yes, you can feed these ones.
Yes.
Yeah, let me get some for them.
A tiny bit.
Here, take the packet. I've got some for them.
Can we pat them?
There's some more.
You're allowed to pat them. I pat
There's more pigs in there. Look, there's more pigs in there.
If we can feed them,
Yeah, but you can't touch them.
can we feed them?
You got to throw it over if they come near you.
Animals here.
There's lots of animals, aren't there?
I love animals.
I love
Oh, look at
animals
those.
as well. They're geese. They're geese. Come on. We're going to look up here first and then we'll go to the zebras. But there's lots of other things up here, see? Where those people are going.
Yeah.
Oh, it's big, isn't it? There's lots of things here. What's in these? What's in there? Oh, look. Flamingos. Come on. Come around here. You'll see them around here, look.
Oh.
Lots of them, isn't it? What's in that one?
Oh, there's actually.
What is it?
I see the monkey
Where?
somewhere. I can see it there.
Wildcat. Scottish wildcat. Can you see them anywhere?
No. Just don't
Can't
matter.
remember how much she said, but she'll tell you.
It's supposed to be Scottish wildcat.
I saw it.
Can't see them anywhere though.
be in there somewhere. Oh, they'll be hiding.
What's in here?
Yeah,
Oh, some wildcats. There we go.
It's like greed, I can see it.
It's like a tabby.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh, look.
It's got. You can tell it's different. You can tell it's like wild.
Yeah,
Can't you, that
yeah.
one? It's big.
yeah, it is. All of them. Careful, don't unfold them.
Throw it in. Don't put your fingers in.
Throw it on the ground real low. Throw it down low. No, no, Rose, if you throw it too far, it won't be able to get it. Just throw it down here. Just chuck it in like that. Look, like this, just go.
What is that?
They just eat. They eat everything. Make a mess of everything.
And they eat
Do you want the rest of that?
They'll eat hands if you give them a chance to.
You want the rest of that food, Rosa, then you can feed them when you do
No, I
that.
can.
Come on.
Look.
They're not doing much, are they? They're just standing still.
I'm just gonna use the red cross.
Here's the zebras. Oh, look at them. And there's deer in there as well.
Oh,
We need an elevated position.
is that allowed for this?
No, I don't think they're going to be interested. Oh, I think we can get a better look up here. Oh, look at that car.
Oh, that's a nice car. Why are they doing that?
It's to make you think you're on a safari. Yeah. We need them to come over this way, don't we?
There's two fences.
They're over there, and that's a lower position. We need to be on the elevated position like this to.
One got in.
Oh, you can't.
Oh, dear, as well.
I should get Rosa to hop in that.
Yeah, we will. It's a long road.
Come
I want to get a photo of it. Rosa. Rosa.
Oh, look, smile at Nana.
Smile.
Sorry. Well, here we go. This might be a good shot here.
This can get injured from here as well. People pets. Well, they get a horror. Oh, look at him, Rosa. Can you see the zebra?
I want them to look this way. That one that's under the tree. That's not too bad a shot, that one.
Oh, yeah, it's good that.
This is a good shot here.
Oh, that's a lovely shot, that.
Look at them. Look, up in the...
Look up there, man. Oh, yeah. that falcon. Oh, look. Jeff, look at that G. No, he can't. Look at that guy.
There's a big one there, look. After that.
Oh,
He's coming up on look, he's coming up.
he wants to get on us.
He thinks he can jump this far. He might be able to.
Yeah, he might. Oh, look, there's one coming across.
Oh, look here.
One coming across thingy there, Jeff.
Angela, look at this.
Don't give him it. No. Look at the monkey.
There must be a lot of species like monkeys.
He knows cameras there. Yeah, it's in there, it's window, but it's like that.
Gonzo's a hooded vulture. Look, he doesn't like that flying, isn't he?
Oh, look at that one. You're a beauty, aren't you? Well, you're a beautiful bird, aren't you? Eh? Bald eagle. That is impressive. That's impressive, that one. A bald eagle. Do they just sit here all day and wait and wait? Just put them away anywhere, or do they just sit here all the time?
Some of them do, some of them go away.
Yeah.
Go out for a fly every day.
There's a bald eagle in there.
Yeah, we saw
Yeah. Hello.
Australian ones here, a little fluffier.
Yeah, they're still Australian. They're not.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Rosa, watch out.
Don't scare them, Rosa. Don't scare them.
Come here.
Like the posing foot.
No, no. Oh, look here. Oh, look, Jeff.
Yeah, he's jealous.
Yeah. He might be. He's getting all attention. I wish they'd start making.
Beautiful birds, aren't you?
When we went to Lobberton Hall, we walked up to thingy and it started doing that laughing noise. Didn't it?
Yeah, it might have recognised that I was from Australia. You guys miss Australia too?